Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Chickasaw local and long-distance movers near me. Are you ready to hire the right cheap Chickasaw moving company? 3 Movers offers the best option for your local or long-distance move. Our team provides you with all the right options for your move. No matter how far you need to go or how much you need to move, we can make it easier. With the right long-distance moving help, your move can be easier. We offer the following options. Packing services. We can pack up your things and unpack them once they arrive at your new location. Moving supplies. Our moving supplies and packing materials are the best you will find on the market today. An on-time move. You don't have to worry about delays on moving day when you hire us. Upfront pricing. Get accurate pricing with a transparent moving quote from us. Licensed and insured. Your things are well protected when you work with our movers. Relocating to a new place 100 miles away or further is a huge change. We provide you with the help you need when it's time to move. Our team will save you time and energy, making your long-distance move less stressful. An Alabama moving company can ensure you get the most out of your local move. With professional movers, you save a ton of time and a ton of energy. You can also avoid injury or damaged things, since professionals know how to do the moving properly. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Chickasaw moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.